Hey friends, if you wish to use the thesaurus in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now, the significance of the thesaurus is that it helps you find synonyms for words and it helps you create better sentences, because if you use a word repeatedly in multiple sentences in a paragraph, then it does not look right. It is actually not even grammatically viable. So, this is where the thesaurus comes into play, and here's how you can do that. So in Microsoft Word, go to the review tab. Now under proofing, in the proofing section, you'll find the thesaurus, but before that you will have to select the word for which you need the synonyms. Now click on thesaurus and it will open here. The highlighted word will be mentioned here and it will show the term, and then it will show the synonyms. Like for word it says chat, conversation, talk, discussion. So these may not be right, but here's the thing. Unlike the usual synonyms that are shown upon a Google search, a thesaurus will obviously be very extensive. Okay, like see, they will equate word to a promise, word to a rumor, word to a command, word to a password, word to an utterance, and everything. So this is quite an extensive thesaurus. Okay, and you can also search for more words here. For example, I can search for gun, and then it will start showing words associated with it, and those which can be a synonym. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.